Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the vidIQ extension on Google Chrome. I will guide you step by step. You will see it's very easy. So first of all, you just have to go on Google and type install vidIQ extension. You should see this first link where it's leading to the Chrome web store, and just click on it and you will arrive on this page where you can see the vidIQ extension and click on add to Chrome. Just click on add again and the extension will be downloaded. Then you just have to link your channel to vidIQ. So I'm just going to use my Google account and click just right here and link my YouTube channel, which is this one. And the last step is you can either choose their free plan if you just want limited functionalities, but if you want to try all of their functionalities, you can either sign up for one of their plans, but I have a special exclusive promo for you. Just below this video, you will find an exclusive link that will get you all the vidIQ functionalities for just $1 for your first month. You just have to click and sign up with your Google account and test all the features on your own channel. vidIQ is really the tool that has helped me to gain 80,000 subscribers on this channel. So I would 100% recommend it to you. Get this deal and just try all the functionalities. You won't regret it, I promise.